Hey, it's been a minute since I've been able to get out to the bar. And it looks like instead of snow, we're getting rain. But at least spring is on its way. Look at that. We've got some extra room and more tools. They've decided for now to keep the old stage. They're going to use it for acoustic acts and smaller acts. I'm not sure what these subs are. They might be 12s. It looks like the old amps are all gone. Here's a sneak peek of the flooring that they're going to put on top of this stage. Let's see over under if they've gotten up here to clean out all this junk. Hey, look at that! So much better. I don't know about you guys, but I miss Carl. Alright, let's see if they've done anything in the basement. Now that's what I'm talking about. That's how you reinforce a floor. Yeah, that does not look cheap. Oh hey, check this out. Big money, big money, big money! Oh yeah, I want a prize. What the heck do we have here? They almost look like those air conditioner... Oh wait, no. I think these are projector screens. These things are huge. Ah, found projectors. These are indeed projector screens. This will be interesting. Ooh, some fancy lighting on the wall. I wonder what they're up to underneath this tarp. Ah, epoxy for the top of the bar. I really like this. It reminds me a lot of the pickguard project I did on my guitar. If you haven't seen that, I'll link to the video at the top. More work has been done behind the bar too. Looks like they've installed the new beer taps. Let's head back and check out the stage and see what's changed. The subs have been installed. Oh yeah, new fort. Nice, this is smart. They left access to the back end. Looks like the line arrays are hung, and they look nice. It's gonna sound really good in here. We got some lighting on the floor that still needs to go up. And if you're gonna do lighting, you gotta do haze. This is a haze 4D. I don't know what the fourth dimension is. Looks like the lip of the stage has been completed. That looks nice. Now this might seem trivial, but I really love this. They installed a light underneath the lip so you can always see. The stage is pretty good size, which is nice. A lot of places don't have a very large stage. And you know I love me a good drum riser. Drummers by far have the most energy and show the most energy, so it's nice to get them above everybody else so you can see that. Let's pause. I saw this and I thought, I can make that jump. Oh my god, okay, walk it off, that hurt. While I recover from my stupidness, let's see if they've added anything to the mixing booth. They've kept the theme with these new lights and they have them above the bathrooms. I know what you're thinking. Is she vacuuming a wall? There's a method to the madness. They installed these new lights, and these lights were showing all the dust from the brick, and it looked terrible, so she was cleaning off the wall. These will look even more impressive when the lights are off. It's a really cool effect, and it was done with these Go V LED lights. Now, it's not a sponsored video, But if you want to send me some stuff, Govey, I'll put them up. While we're looking up, you can see they've started taking all the cables and putting them into a channel. Oh, and Seth and Carrie spent hours painting the ceiling black. It really makes the space look large. The gang's all here. They're discussing what the next move is because they're planning to be open in a couple weeks. Will they make it? I don't know. But find out in the next video of My Friends Have Bought a Bar.